Hello students, in chapter 3 physical layer, our topic is digital signals. In this particular topic, we will discuss about the digital signals. How we represent our digital signals, or you can say how we represent our digital data into the form of digital signals. What are the different levels? We say in digital data we have defined discrete values. How we represent these discrete values in the signal in the form of levels. What are the different characteristics of the digital signals? Let's see. Mainly, information can be represented in the form of digital signals. Digital data have discrete values. Digital data have discrete values. Discrete values means defined values, or you can say unique identification values. Means we are representing in the form of zeros, in the form of ones, or if you represent it in decimal format, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. So means we have defined values, discrete value, unique values. Means if this is the text, then this one have given this value. If this is the character, this one have this particular value. SKI code representations we have, or binary data we have. So discrete values, and we can represent this one in the form of digital signals. Digital signals. Now, if a signal has L levels, then each level needs log to L bits. Log to L bits. Here you see we represented the binary data. Binary data. Binary data we have only two formats, zeros and ones. Now we have two values. For this one we defined two levels. We defined two levels. So 1 0 1 1 0 0. Here this is the value 1. Peak value is given to 1 and level 2, and 0 is given to level 1. So this way we can represent the binary data in two particular levels, zeros and 1. Level 1 is representing the discrete value 0, and level 2 is representing the discrete value 1. And here we also see in the bits, this one in the form of bits. 8 bits sent in 1 seconds, then we can say 8 bits bit rate. There we in the analog signal we measure the frequency. Here we measure the bits. In the analog signal we measure frequency, means how many cycles completed in 1 second. Same way here we have bit rate. Bit rate means how many bits are sent in 1 second. How many bits are sent in 1 second. Same as it is here. This particular have four levels of data: 0 0 0 1 1 0 or 1 1. Means 0 1 value, 2 1 2 or 3. This one is representing four different discrete values in the form of binary. Four different discrete values. Level 1 is representing the 0 0, level 2 is representing 0 1, level 3 1 0, and here value 1 1. So in this way we can represent different discrete values in different levels, and a particular level is representing a particular value. Okay, so and this is the formula. If a signal has L levels, then how many bits we need? For example, your digital signal have different 16 discrete values. For example, your digital data have 16 different discrete values. So if you want to represent that discrete values into and digital signals, then how many number of bits you are needed? You needed log to the base 16. Means you need four different 4 bits to represent your value. 4 bits mean 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. This way this one is representing value 0, this one is representing value 1. Same way we have different 16 value 0 0 1 1 1 3. Here 0 1 0 0 0 4. Same way we have last one we go for 1. This is 15. So 0 to 16 different discrete 16 15, sorry, 15, 16 different values are represented in 16 different levels. and each levels representing a particular discrete value. And for uniquely identify a level, we need 4 bits. We need 4 bits. So this is the representation of digital data in the digital signals. Now we will go for some characteristics of the digital signal. First is here the bit rate. Bit rate, in the analog signal we measure the frequency, but in digital signals we have bit rate. Bit rate is number of bits sent in 1 second, and this one is represented in the form of BPS, number of bits in 1 second. In analog signal, number of cycles completed in 1 second. Here we have number of bits sent in 1 second. And in sometimes we will also call this one as the bandwidth or the transmission rate, or sorry, data rate. Data rate. Okay. Second is the bit length. Bit length means how much is long a bit takes. How much long a bit takes. This is the distance of one bit occupies in the transmission medium. Distance of one bit means how long a bit in the transmission medium. How much distance or how much is the length of that particular bit in when you transmit in the transmission medium. That is depending on two things. How much time is taken or how much is the speed of your signal traveling in the medium. Okay, how much is the signal traveling in the medium, or how much time you will take to represent that bit in the duration. That is bit length. Bit length is propagation speed. Propagation speed is the speed at which your signal or your bit travel from one point to another point. And bit duration is how much time is taken by that bit, is the bit duration. And this one totally defines the bit length. This one is defining the bit length. Okay, so these are the two important characteristics of the digital signals. Let's see some questions that may be asked in some exam. Here the question is, this question is mainly about the bit rate of the channel. Here given we have want to download a text document, and that text document is 100 pages per second. The rate of download rate here is 100 pages per second. Means your rate is given in the form of page per second. 100 pages per second. And a page is average have 24 lines. Given information about the page, one page have 24 lines, and each line have 80 characters. One line 80 characters. 80 characters, and we know in ASCII representation each character will take 8 bits. Each character will take 8 bits. Means normally if we talk about the byte, one byte of data is equal to one character, means 8 bits. Then what is the total number of bits in one page? If we will talk number of bits or the size of page in bits is number of lines, number of character in one line, and the size of one character. This one is come in the form of bits. This one is equal to 1500 360 bits. This is the information about one page, and you are downloading 100 pages per second. So 400 pages, the bit rate is equal to 100 pages, and number of bits in one page is 1500 360 bits per second. So answer is 15,360,000 bits per second. If you want to convert this one into the megabytes or the kilobytes or the gigabytes, you can convert that easily. If you want to convert it into megabytes, then 1.36 into 10 ki power minus 6 bits per second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the 6 and put a dot. And so our answer is 1.36 megabits per second is the rate, bit rate required to download these 100 bits. to download these 100 pages. So this type of question may be expected in exams. Okay, thank you.